In this video, we will explore some techniques for working with statements in Maple. Let's take a look at some examples. In Maple, a statement is a single mathematical command, like typing in a function. An execution group is simply the container, marked by the red arrow on the left, that bundles one or more of these statements together so you can run them all at once. This single statement can be put on multiple lines using Shift-Enter. Right now, the expression has an output in blue, which can be suppressed with a colon at the end. On the contrary, a semicolon is optional and does not affect the output. To enter an example with multiple statements in one execution group, colons or semicolons are necessary because they separate the statements from one another, and the separators allow the statements to be on one line. If you want to split up the execution group into single statements, move the cursor to the front of the target statement, go to Edit, then Editing, and select Split. In Maple, Enter doesn't insert an empty prompt in between statements. To do this, go to the Insert tab and select Maple Prompt. You can then add a new execution group before the current one here, or by pressing Ctrl K. If you want to add an execution group after, you can click on the other option, or you can press Ctrl J. By default, the prompts on a Maple worksheet are in 2D math, but you can insert a 1D math prompt under math and insert texts using the text button. Now, to plot my first statement 2x plus sine x using the plot command, you don't have to write out the equation again. To the right of every statement output, there is an equation label. You can either go to the Insert tab and label, or press Ctrl L to insert the equation label. If I were to change the first statement now, the graph will change correspondingly upon executing the two prompts again. In this video, we looked at how statements can be grouped and split up, and how to add labels in Maple.